Hi guys, welcome back. So here we are with Elantra 2021 and this one is 2.0. So the engine capacity is 2.0, which is around 1250 kgs. Legroom, of course, we saw that in the other model as well, which is similar. And now you look at the design, which is completely new. Now this one is no less than a luxury car designs like the latest ones you get in the cars nowadays. So here, if you look at the screen, this one is different than the one which was there in 1.6 model, and then it has push start also, which is not there in the other model, which is 1.6. The screen is kind of similar. Now this is the brochure which they have, which has more details. So this is how you're just gonna connect it to your Android or iOS device. So here is the cup holder. This has really smooth finish. Everything is really, design is awesome, like the geometrical shape. Look at the lift here at the back, which was not there before, and this is the key. So you can even start the car when you are not in the car. Hope you liked it. It has a sunroof also. So that's it. Thank you for watching.